Hello, welcome. I'm Lovely, and I'm so happy you are here. Today, we are going to talk about something beautiful. We are going to talk about the gift of giving. Giving means to help someone, to share something, or to be kind. And this gift is special because when you give, you also receive. When you help other people, you also help yourself. Let's think about this idea together. So, what does it mean to give? It is a simple action. It can be small. You can give a smile. You can give your time to listen. You can give a cup of tea to a friend. You can give help with a task. These are all gifts. You are not giving money. You are giving a piece of your attention, your care. It is an act of connection. You see another person and you say, "I am here for you." When you do this, something happens inside you. You feel a warm feeling. Maybe you feel useful. Maybe you feel connected to another person. This warm feeling has a name. It is kindness. But this kindness is not only for the other person, it is also for you. When you are kind, your mind feels quiet. Your heart feels light. You feel good. Think about a simple example. Imagine you're walking. You see someone. They are carrying many heavy bags. It is difficult for them. You stop. You say, "Can I help you?" You carry one bag. It is a small action. It takes 1 minute. But then you both smile. You say you're welcome and you walk away. How do you feel? You probably feel good. You feel a little happier. The problem was not your problem, but you helped. And that help made you feel strong, useful, and happy. This is the secret. Helping others helps you. Why does this happen? Let's think logically. When you give, you focus on someone else. For a short time, you stop thinking only about your own life, your own worries. You look outside yourself. This is very healthy for your mind. It's like opening a window in a quiet room. Fresh air comes in. Your own problems seem smaller, lighter. You remember that you are not alone. We are all connected. Your action, even a very small action, matters. It makes the world a little better, and knowing this gives you hope. Giving also builds confidence. When you help someone, you see that you have something to offer. You have strength. You have time. You have a kind word. You are important. You can make a change. This feeling is powerful. It tells you, "I am a person who can help." This is good for your heart. But remember, giving should feel good. It should not feel like a heavy duty. You do not need to give all your time or energy. A true gift is small, simple, and from the heart. If you are tired, it is okay to rest. You cannot give water from an empty cup, so take care of yourself too. Then, from your full cup, you can easily share. Share a little, that is enough. So let's repeat our key idea, our main thought. Helping others helps you. When you give kindness, you feel kindness inside you. When you help someone, you feel stronger. When you see a need and you act, you feel connected. This is the beautiful circle of giving. You give and you receive a good feeling. It is a gift for everyone. As we finish, I want you to think of one small thing, one small way to give. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. It does not need to be big. Just a smile to a stranger, a kind word to a friend, an offer to help. Notice how it makes you feel. That warm, light feeling is your gift to yourself. Thank you for listening with me today. Remember, your kindness is a language everyone understands. Speak it often. Take care, and I will talk with you again soon.